stark new warning. The director of the CDC now says we're on the brink of the most difficult period in the nation's public health history. Hospitalizations have hit record highs around the nation, and we're coping now with a staggering new number of American lives lost in a single day, more than 3,100 people.
Whit Johnson joins us now from a testing center in Norwalk, Connecticut with more. Good morning, Whit.
Michael, good morning to you. As cases surge across the country, the CDC is calling on communities to expand testing to people without symptoms. It's something the agency has gone back and forth on, but local leaders have been pushing for this, and we've seen this rush on testing during the holiday season. Let's take a look from above at our drone camera overlooking this drive-through testing site in Norwalk, Connecticut, where cars have been lined up for hours before the gates even open.
This morning, the U.S. hitting its deadliest single day of the pandemic. More than 3,100 lives lost in just 24 hours. And the CDC now predicting up to 200,000 more Americans could die in the next 3 months. A staggering toll that would approach nearly 500,000 by February.
December and January and February are going to be rough times. I actually believe they're going to be the most difficult time in the public health history of this nation.
The White House Coronavirus Task Force issuing its most urgent warning yet to the states. Everyone over the age of 65 or with significant health conditions should not enter any indoor public areas where anyone is unmasked. Also pleading with those under the age of 40 to assume they are infected if Thanksgiving involved anyone outside immediate family. Writing, "You are dangerous to others and you must isolate away from anyone at increased risk for severe disease and get tested immediately."
That's real stuff. That's not fake. And that's the reason why we give these kinds of warnings of what people need to do.
In Los Angeles, Mayor Eric Garcetti urging residents to stay home.
My message couldn't be simpler. It's time to hunker down. It's time to cancel everything. And if it isn't essential, don't do it.
This as the U.S. hits another milestone. More than 100,000 people now hospitalized with COVID, a new record, and more than double the number reported on November 1st.
We're very concerned at the number of cases that were present today, and I don't even think that that represents the Thanksgiving holiday.
ICUs near capacity in New Mexico, North Dakota, and Rhode Island. The CDC director revealing that 90% of the nation's hospitals are in a red zone.
The report that I received is we had negative 31 beds. That means we had 31 admitted patients who did not have a bed to go to.
In Michigan, doctors performing an emergency C-section on COVID patient Jasmine Logan, delivering healthy twins before putting Jasmine on a ventilator.
I'm picking my kids up and I can't even see my wife. This is something that we're supposed to be doing together.
Such a difficult time for so many families across the country. The CDC is now renewing its travel warning, advising people to stay home and not travel at all. Avoid gatherings with anybody outside your own household, and that's for the remainder of the holiday season. Robin?
As you said, a very difficult time for many. Whit, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.